What's up, guys? It's been tonight's show. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my fans here in America, the United States. I also want to say thank you to all my fans in Asia, and also thank you to all my fans around the world. Okay, today what we're gonna talk about is we're gonna do a simple qigong. What we're gonna do today is hands to the heart. Sometimes you need to do certain qigongs, and hand to the heart is actually a very good qigong because what it does, it expels anxiety from the heart, and we can't have anxiety in the heart because that just messes up everything for us. Okay, in Chinese medicine, actually, the heart is considered the emperor of the kingdom. Okay, so in order for the emperor to have a smooth running kingdom, he has to make sure that everything is running nice and smoothly. And also, the heart is also known as the keeper of the five souls, known as Chen. That's a little homework for y'all. Maybe y'all can look that up when you got some time. So we're gonna start the simple qigong practice right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in a simple horse pose. So we're gonna go into horse stance. Once we're in horse stance, we're gonna make sure our pelvic is tucked under. We have a nice low stance to medium. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna breathe in. You're gonna gather the energy, gather the chi, and bring it to the heart. And give to yourself. Give peace, love, energy, temperance, and bring it down. Bring it again. Bring it back down. Hands over heart. Sometimes our mind is going so many places. It's going so fast. Sometimes we need just a little time to slow it down and give a little bit of love back to ourselves. It's a self-healing practice also. Bring it back down. Breathe in. Release. A nice big one. Hands to the heart. Release. A small clearing. Bring in energy, happiness, warmth, and strength. Come back to horse. Hold it. Release. I hope y'all liked it. Stay safe, guys. I'll see y'all soon. Make sure to like, subscribe. Take care.